today you're probably wondering, oh guys, welcome back to my channel. And today you're probably wondering what cool place is low-key. I went out for a little walk. I had no plans of anything this morning, and I kind of stumbled across this place. A cool place at that. And it's called Bandstand and the Bandra neighborhood of Mumbai. It's a 1.2 kilometer long walkway, like I said, off the sea of western Mumbai. It's a very popular hangout spot for joggers, people exercising in the park. I can definitely see why a lot of people are attracted to this place. I don't want to walk along these rocks. It's very slippery and I don't want to injure myself. So I'm gonna head back onto the walkway. Kind of give you guys an idea of what it looks like from my point of view. Also, if you're coming out here, you got to definitely make sure, you know, you watch your step, because, you know, you got to be mindful. A community does live around this area, and, you know, sometimes they come over here and do their dirty business over here, if you know what I mean. But yeah, it's definitely a popular area. You have local stalls. We're also walking along the walkway now. It's pretty early in the morning, so it's not that many people out right now, but I can only assume that after the afternoon 12-1, this place is really packed.
गरम चाय गरम चाय गरम चाय
Definitely see a lot of people coming here to take Instagram photos. I guess it's a local community that lives right here. You know, sometimes they, you know, do their personal business over here, which I won't show you. You know, but yeah, it's definitely a nice area to come visit. See, after a nice workout, you go grab a fresh coconut. Definitely refreshing, especially in this heat. See what we have over here. This statue of a hand. Interesting. In loving memory of my mother, Minobi Bellabroy. Mason Roy. Sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong, but it's a really nice statue. Oh wow, look at the rock formation. I'm assuming this is the amphitheater that they were talking about. I'm pretty sure this is the amphitheater. But Nassau. How you doing, my friend? How you doing, brother? What's your name?
ये क्या बना रहे?
What is your name? Your name?
मेरा नहीं.
Yeah. Surname.
Amanullah.
Oh, Medalada. Oh, you're from Mumbai. Okay. What is this?
मतलब?
What is this area right here?
अच्छा है ना?
China. Oh, okay. Me don't speak Hindu. You speak English.
English.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So you're from this area? Huh? Have a good day.
वो नाश्ता करने के लिए पैसा आई क्या?
Oh no, I don't have.
भूख लगा?
No.
खाना खाना.
All right, have a good nice day. So they have a little kids park over here, so if you have little ones, you can bring your kids. It's definitely green over here. It's always a good sign. More coconut. I will say, I had a few coconuts here in Mumbai. I probably, out of 5 coconuts, I probably had 1 bad coconut. You know, but for the most part, the coconuts are definitely good here in Mumbai. Oh, so this is the garden. So let's go into the garden and see what this is about. Yeah, people over here meditating. So I won't put the camera in their face. Really nice plants here. Definitely giving me the Zen vibe. See why people come over here to meditate. sculpture of remnants pateria. If you can see over straight ahead, you can see the wreck boats, which kind of brought my attention when I first came over here. Kind of interesting. You have people over there taking pictures on the boat. This workout area. It's funny, since I've been to Mumbai, I've never seen the streets so empty like this. I know it's early in the morning, but this is a pleasant surprise. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna walk over there and show you guys the boat, but hopefully you guys can see it from up here. Yeah, so that was a quick walkthrough of Bandstand. I'm gonna head back to my hotel room. Alright, I walked about 3 miles to get here, so I gotta try to find a way back, or I'll just take a tuk-tuk. Hey brother, Linkway Hotel.
Lincoln Road.
Yeah, Lincoln Road. How much?
How about 60?
Huh?
60.
60.